Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Range Rover Velar on a 22 plate. This is a plug-in hybrid car. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we then approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a parking camera, plenty of boot space available as well. You can see the cables there for the plug-in hybrid element, and we've got 3 rear seats that will all fold down independently to increase this space further should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through those controls from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in perfect condition, as is the bodywork the whole way round, and it's a great looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Firstly, over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer within that as well. The fuel gauge at the bottom of that section. Over on the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. Inside the rev counter will show you what gear the car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. And below that, we have the hybrid battery charge level in the vehicle as well. In the centre, we then have the main trip computer section, beneath which you can see the total miles of this car. They are 18,122. If we back out to the steering wheel next, over on the left-hand side, we have our phone controls. On the right-hand side, we've got cruise control, speed limiter. We've got a heated steering wheel just here as well. And behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles, so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do that. Over to the centre, we have the first of 2 touchscreens in this car. So firstly, up in the top left-hand corner, you can access your satellite navigation, as you can see. Really nice clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. You can also pair your phone from on here as well. Once you've paired your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls. You'll also be able to stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. So in terms of our music options, you can there see we've got DAB radio, FM and AM as well. Bluetooth audio, so once you paired your device, you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly, as I mentioned. And we can come back out to the home screen from there. You can swipe across to the next set of screens, which include slope assist, as you can see. We've got various different vehicle settings on there as well. And if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can then see the parking camera as well. So parking camera here and a visual guide to the parking sensors on that right-hand side. Working our way down, we then have the second screen for the car. So on here, you can change between vehicle, massage seats, heated seats, and then your climate control menu as well. On the climate control menu, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. We can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. Press this button just here to then adjust the fan speed up and down, as you can see. Push that in. When you're done, that will just reset back to where it was. You can adjust then your heated seats and cooled as well. So you see you've got minus and plus figures. 0 just means they're off. And it works the same for the driver's seat. Push that in. Heated seat, 3 different heat settings, or the cooled seat, again, 3 different settings, and back to where you were. And as I said, you then have the other options up on the screen just there as well. We have the main volume for your stereo, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Last thing I wanted to mention is the glass roof. So we have a sunblind that will open all the way to the back of those rear seats. This is a fixed section of glass, but as you can see, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to the cabin area. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we hold for the car. So you can see the V5 registration document that shows it's a 1-owner car from new, and the key for the vehicle just there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.